17 days ago, I used potato and cheese to make a potato cheese bowl. My daughter and my husband and my father-in-law, they like this. So today I'm going to share how to make this on this video. Prepare mashed potato, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, chopped carrot, egg, sesame, cheese, breadcrumbs, chopped green onion, chopped bacon. Add green onion inside the mashed potato, bacon, carrot, salt, black pepper, cornstarch. Then mix everything together. Take a little bit of mashed potato. Make the mashed potato to be flat. Then get some cheese and put inside the mashed potato. Then wrap the cheese inside the rounding mashed potato. I'll make its rounding by egg. Then take it out, put it inside the breadcrumbs, and move it around. That's how it looks like. Put it inside the oven. Set the oven temperature to be 360 and the time is 20 minutes.
They're melting.
Ooh, that's super long.